Imagine an opossum lying motionless on the forest floor, its body limp, eyes closed, and tongue hanging out. It might look lifeless, but this animal is very much alive. Playing dead, also known as tonic immobility or thanatosis, is one of nature's most fascinating survival strategies. But why do some animals rely on this behavior, and how does it help them avoid predators? Today we'll explore the science behind why some animals play dead and uncover the secrets of this incredible instinct. Playing dead is a defense mechanism that helps animals survive dangerous encounters with predators. By appearing lifeless, these animals trick predators into thinking they're no longer worth the effort. Many predators prefer live prey, and a seemingly dead animal can disrupt their hunting instincts. This behavior has evolved in multiple species, showcasing its effectiveness across the animal kingdom. For some, it's a last-ditch effort when other defenses, like fleeing or fighting, fail. One of the most well-known examples of this behavior is the opossum, often referred to as playing possum. When threatened, opossums go into a state of involuntary paralysis, mimicking death with incredible detail. They emit a foul-smelling odor from their anal glands, mimicking the scent of decay to make predators lose interest. This reaction isn't a conscious decision, it's an automatic response triggered by extreme fear. For opossums, playing dead is often the difference between life and death in the wild. Another master of this tactic is the hognose snake, which takes dramatic measures to appear lifeless. When threatened, this snake flips onto its back, opens its mouth, and lets its tongue dangle out. It may even release blood from its mouth or emit a foul-smelling liquid to complete the illusion. If flipped back onto its belly, the hognose snake will immediately roll over again, insisting on its dead act. This convincing display often deters predators who might otherwise see the snake as a meal. Insects, too, have perfected the art of playing dead. The death-feigning beetle curls its legs inward and remains completely still when threatened. Predators, such as birds, often lose interest in motionless prey, allowing the beetle to escape unharmed. This strategy is particularly effective against visually oriented predators that rely on movement to detect food. By staying motionless, these beetles increase their chances of survival in dangerous situations. Certain bird species, like the killdeer, take playing dead to a whole new level by faking injury. The killdeer will pretend to have a broken wing, luring predators away from its nest. This display of vulnerability tricks predators into focusing on the bird rather than its eggs or chicks. Once the predator is far enough away, the killdeer will recover and fly off, leaving the predator confused. This clever use of distraction showcases the diversity of survival tactics in the animal kingdom. Playing dead isn't limited to land animals. Some aquatic creatures use this tactic as well. The cuttlefish, a relative of the octopus, can mimic the appearance of a dead, drifting animal. By remaining motionless and changing its color to appear pale or lifeless, it fools potential threats. This strategy allows the cuttlefish to avoid predators while conserving energy for escape if necessary. Even in the water, playing dead proves to be an effective survival tool. But how does playing dead actually work? In many cases, tonic immobility is an involuntary response triggered by extreme fear or stress. The body enters a state of paralysis, reducing movement and sometimes slowing the heart rate. This lack of movement convinces predators that the animal is either dead or unappetizing. For predators that prefer fresh kills, this behavior can make the difference between life and survival. While playing dead is an effective strategy, it's not without risks. Some predators, like scavengers, are more likely to target animals that appear lifeless. For example, vultures or hyenas may view a motionless animal as an easy meal. Timing is crucial. An animal must remain still until the predator loses interest, then escape quickly. Mistiming this response could leave the animal vulnerable to attack or capture. Scientists have studied tonic immobility in various species to understand its underlying mechanisms. Research has shown that this response is deeply ingrained in the nervous system of many animals. In some cases, tonic immobility may even serve as a way to calm the animal's own stress during a life-threatening event. For example, sharks, when flipped onto their backs, enter a state of tonic immobility, though this is more a physiological response than a survival tactic. These studies reveal the complexity of this behavior and its evolutionary significance. Humans have also observed tonic immobility in surprising ways. For instance, some people experiencing extreme fear may freeze in dangerous situations, similar to animals playing dead. This instinctual response is thought to be a remnant of our evolutionary past, when freezing could help avoid detection by predators. It's a reminder that humans share some survival instincts with the animals we observe in nature. Playing dead also raises fascinating questions about predator psychology. Why are predators so easily fooled by motionless prey? Many predators rely on movement to identify and pursue their targets. When an animal suddenly stops moving, it disrupts the predator's instincts, causing hesitation or disinterest. This pause gives the prey a chance to escape, turning the predator's advantage into an opportunity for survival. The effectiveness of playing dead varies depending on the predator and the situation. Predators that hunt by sight, such as birds or big cats, are more likely to fall for the trick. In contrast, predators that rely on smell or other senses may be less easily fooled. This variation explains why some species have evolved this strategy while others rely on alternative defenses. Nature is a constant arms race, with prey adapting to outwit predators at every turn. For animals that use this tactic, playing dead is not just a random behavior, it's a finely tuned survival instinct. Whether it's an opossum's convincing act or a beetle's stillness, these behaviors are honed by millions of years of evolution. Each time an animal successfully escapes a predator, it passes on its survival skills to the next generation. This process ensures that playing dead remains a valuable tool in the ongoing battle for survival. What makes playing dead so fascinating is its simplicity and effectiveness. It doesn't require strength, speed, or agility, just the ability to stay still and act convincingly. In a world where survival often hinges on quick reactions, the power of stillness is a remarkable counterpoint. It's a reminder that sometimes doing nothing can be the most strategic move of all. Why do some animals play dead? It's a question that reveals the ingenuity of nature and the endless creativity of evolution. This survival tactic showcases the delicate balance between predator and prey, a dance as old as life itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the science of survival instincts. Until next time, marvel at the wonders of the animal kingdom and the strategies that keep life thriving.